Hi all my beautiful dear souls, welcome to my channel. Today let's check what universe literally wants to guide you, as today I have already shuffled the cards and presented over the 6 cards here. So if you have any intention, if you want to know some specific situation regarding uh, what guidance you needed or the clarity of any yes or no questions also, if you have anything, please do like the video so that you can get the accurate reading, you can get the accurate guidance for you. And as it is a general reading, so please take what it resonates to you and leave the rest. It's for all signs. So let's check. So what it is. So first card is all about the Six of Wands. You can see, right? Six of Wands, but it is in a reverse position when I took it. So for you to show, I just taken that. That means Six of Wands in a reverse position. So you might be feeling some kind of disappointment in your life right now. Due to egoism, not because you're not completely surrendered, you're losing your confidence, and right now emotions are very high, so I can understand that what emotions you may be going through. um, Maybe because of losing something, or you might be have gone through some financial loss or mental loss, or you might be in stuck situation. You don't know what direction you want to go. So maybe right now something is there which you have lost recently. This is mainly the four signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire. But actually it's a general reading, so all signs is applicable. So take what resonates and read the rest. uh, so you have to work on your confidence. Don't lose hope, okay? You just need to surrender to universe. So this is the first card we got. Let's see what other messages universe wants to say. Because of lack of confidence and all, you might be facing, you might have faced some miscommunication, or you might have faced some financial issues. I can understand, because right now I can feel the energy, how much you have gone through it, the heavy energy. Right now, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, new moon, all energies were so much heavy. Obviously our mental, we will not get the mental clarity if we don't have a complete focus or stillness within ourselves. So in order to get a mental clarity, you need